Hi students, today we are going to discuss the first lesson, India and its neighbors. In this lesson, what are the things we are going to learn? Number one, we will understand about India and its political divisions. First one is India. Children, as you all know, India is our country. भारत हमारा कंट्री है और भारत में हम रहते हैं. India is a huge country. It is located in the southern part of Asia. Asia is a continent. Continent means big landmass. Do you know how many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents, isn't it? उसमें सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट कौन से है? एशिया. इंडिया एशिया के सदर्न पार्ट में लोकेटेड है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द लैंड वाइज, इंडिया इज इन 7th पोजीशन. It measures around 3,214 kilometers from north to south. You can see it in the map. Look here. This is north and this is south. From north to south, the distance is 3,214 kilometers. See the next picture. India stretches 2,933 kilometers from east to west. See this map? Here is from east to west, the distance is 2,933 kilometers. India's coastline stretches around 7,516 kilometers. You can see the coastline of India in the map. The total distance of the coastline is 7,516 kilometers. Coastline means samundra ke kinara. India has large population. India is the second most populated country. Population means Jansankhya. The most populated country in the world is in China. Next is India. Population में China first number पे है, India second number पे है. India is surrounded by 3 water bodies. In the west, Arabian Sea. In the east, Bay of Bengal. In the south, Indian Ocean. You can see it in the map. Look here, this is Indian Ocean located in the south of India. This is Arabian Sea located in the west of India. This is Bay of Bengal located in the east of India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. That is, India is divided into 28 divisions or parts. These divisions are called states. Union territory means an area controlled by the central government. There are 2 types of government. One is state government and the another one is central government. The central government controls the union territories. Did you know? As I already told you, according to the area, India is in 7th position. In first position is Russia. In the second position is Canada. Then third position USA. In the fourth position China. In the fifth position Brazil. In the sixth position Australia. And in the 7th position comes India. Children, India is called a peninsula. The term peninsula means an area covered by water on 3 sides. Look at the map. West में Arabian Sea है, East में Bay of Bengal है and South में Indian Ocean है. So ये 3 water bodies India को surround करते हैं. So India is called a peninsula. Now we will learn about the neighboring countries of India. What is meant by neighbor? For example, Ajay stay next to my house. That means, who is Ajay? Ajay is my neighbor. अजय मेरा पड़ोसी है. इससे ऐसे हमारा कंट्री के आसपास रहने वाला कंट्रीज को नेबरिंग कंट्रीज बोलते हैं. There are 9 neighboring countries. They are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Nepal, China and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, the Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south, across the sea. Repeat after me. The 9 neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Like that, there are 9 neighboring countries. Next topic is physical features of India. Children, suppose if I ask you, tell about your physical feature. What will you say? I have eyes, ears, nose, legs and so on. Similarly, a country has so many physical features. Physical features means there are varieties of landforms found in a country, such as mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, river, valleys, etc. Mountain means pahad. As you can see the picture, this is a plateau. Plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. See this. This is the surrounding area. A land surrounding area से ऊपर उठा हुआ है. So this is a plateau. Plain means flat land. Desert means Registan. Island means a land which is surrounded by water on 4 sides. एक land चारों तरफ पानी से भरा रहता है, उसको island बोलते हैं. River means नदी. Valleys means an area located between 2 mountains. See this picture? This is the valley. 2 sides are mountains and in the middle the land is there. So this is valley. Now we are going to discuss about the region of India that can be divided into 6 physical divisions. They are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, the islands. These are the physical divisions of India. You can see it in the map. Now we will discuss one by one. So first one is the northern mountains. The northern mountains acts as a border of India. It is high mountain range which is running from north to northeastern parts. These mountain ranges are called Himalayas. Ranges means chain of mountains. Now look at the map. The brown color denotes the mountain. ये हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज है. ये नॉर्थ से शुरू होकर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स तक जाता है. Children, do you know which is the highest mountain range in the world? Himalayan range are the highest mountain range in the world. They are the main source of many great rivers in India like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. The Himalayan ranges are always covered with snow. When the snow heat up by the sunlight, the snow melt and break big ice sheets. These ice sheets melt and form big rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, etc. The next physical division is the Great Northern Plains. The Great Northern Plains lies to the south of the Himalayas. The land here is flat and fertile. As the rivers have deposited a large amount of silt which is good for crops. Children, what is a silt? Silt is a solid dust like sediments that gets transported and deposited by water, ice and wind. ऊपर से रिवर्स नीचे आते हैं तब रास्ते में मिलने वाला पत्ते मिट्टी सबको लेकर आके नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में जमा करते हैं. इसलिए नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स आर मोर फर्टाइल एंड द क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन वेल. If the crops are grown more, people and animals get food. Not only that, people get occupation. Occupation means job. So the northern plains are mostly populated. The next physical division is the western desert. Desert means Registan. The western desert is otherwise called as the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. It is located in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the northwest region of India. You can see the Thar Desert in the map. It is located in the state of Rajasthan. Look here, this is state of Rajasthan and the Thar Desert is located in this state. Due to strong wind, the sandy plains are covered with sand dunes. It is a desert, it receives less rainfall. Do you know, रेगिस्तान पूरे रेत से भरा रहता है और बहुत गर्म रहते हैं. यहाँ रेनफॉल भी बहुत कम होते हैं. Next physical division is Southern Plateau. It is otherwise called as Deccan Plateau. It extends from south of northern plains to southern tip of Indian mainland. You can see the map. The yellow color which you see from the south of the northern plains to southern tip of Indian mainland is the Southern Plateau. Eastern and western Ghats stretch on both sides of the plateau. Ghats are hilly region. This is Eastern Ghats and this is Western Ghats. ये दोनों Ghats Southern Plateau के दोनों साइड में पाया जाता है. The next physical division is the coastal plains. Children, do you know what is a coast? A coast is a place near the sea. समुद्र के किनारे को coast बोलते हैं. See the map. You can see some strip that is green in color. This is the coastal plain running along Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. This is Arabian Sea and this is Western Ghat. The area between Arabian Sea and Western Ghat is the western coastal plain. On the other side, this is Bay of Bengal and this is Eastern Ghats. The area between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal is the eastern coastal plain. Arabian Sea and Western Ghat के बीच वाला जगह को Western coastal line बोलते हैं. Bay of Bengal और Eastern Ghats के बीच वाला जगह को Eastern coastal plains बोलते हैं. That is denoted in green color. Is it clear, children? Good. Okay. Next physical division is the island. India stretches its coastline about 7,516 kilometers. As I explained in the beginning of the lesson, it includes Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands. Look at the map. This is a Lakshadweep Island and this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Kanyakumari, formerly known as Cape Comorin, southernmost tip of the peninsula. Tip means the last point of something. For example, where is the tip of your finger? This is the tip of your finger. Similarly, Indian peninsula का सबसे last part क्या है? Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari. where a southernmost point is Indra Point in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Indra Point in Andaman and Nicobar Island is the southernmost point of the Indian Union. Clear, children? Yes. Moving on. Now let us recap. What we learned in this lesson? First we learned about India and its physical features. India is located in the southern part of Asia. It is the 7th largest country in area. It measures around 3,214 kilometers from north to south, and it measures around 2,993 kilometers from east to west. Next, we discussed about the neighboring countries of India. There are 9 neighboring countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Then we learned about the physical divisions. First one, the northern mountains. The second one, the northern plains. Third one, the western desert. Fourth one, the southern plateau. Fifth one, the coastal plains. Sixth one, the islands. This is all about today's session. Now see the homework. Read today's portion. Find out the answers from today's video and learn it. Lesson 1, part 2 will be in the next video. Till then, take care. Be updated in your studies. Thanks for watching.